The fall is one of the best times of the year, and one of the must-do activities on your list is fishing. As water temperatures cool, the fish come closer to the surface or the shore. This makes for exciting angling action. In this episode, we are going to discuss places to fish throughout Utah. We are going to talk about rules and regulations and where to find them. We are also going to talk about the costs of fishing in the state, as well as where to buy licenses. Where you fish depends on what type of fishing you want to attempt. Utah boasts many lakes, rivers, and streams or ponds, as well as community fisheries. We are going to break down each of these water types and give you some locations and fish types that might be present in them. Utah has a large collection of big lakes and reservoirs. Some of the most popular spots include Deer Creek, Jordanelle, Strawberry, Schofield, Fish Lake, Bear Lake, and Flaming Gorge. They offer a variety of fish, from bass, whitefish, trout, cutthroat, and even salmon. Since each fish species is different, it's important to know the best technique for landing each one. Be aware that catch and slot limits vary by fish species and by reservoir. These lakes offer a variety of depths to work with, and your experience may vary depending on if you have a boat or are fishing from the shore. Fishing early and late are often an effective way to catch fish. Rivers that are great for fly fishing and for artificial lures are the Provo River, Green River, the Colorado, and the Fremont. These rivers stock a variety of trout from brook, rainbow, cutthroat, and brown. This time of year is a fun time for fly fishing, since they are often biting on streamers and large dry flies, including hoppers. The upper parts of the river will often be smaller and require techniques used on small streams for successfully landing fish. The river in the state with the largest variety of fish is the Green River. The DWR has declared certain non-native fish species a nuisance, and these must be destroyed on catch in order to help native populations grow and thrive. There are plenty of small streams and ponds located throughout the state, and they are great places for catching smaller fish. Lures and small flies are often effective in these smaller waters. When using a fly rod and even a spinning rod, alternate methods of casting, such as the bow and arrow, are used to avoid getting ensnared in the foliage. Hard casting techniques are not recommended in these areas, where less is more. Across the state, the DWR has created local fishing ponds or community fisheries with the help of local agencies and clubs. These community fisheries are stocked regularly with smaller fish. They are made to be accessible for anyone, including children and the disabled. There is a page on the Utah DNR website that shows the location of these fisheries. Each has their own fishing regulations and slot limits, and some even only allow for fishing by children or people with disabilities. The general regulations are found in the Utah Proclamation book. The printed version of the book can be found at many sporting goods stores and is offered free of charge. There are general regulations and catch limits, as well as pictures of the different species to help you diagnose your catch. If a location has a specific catch or slot limit, please follow that regulation. Catch limits are a set number of fish that you can keep, while slot limits are used to define a size that is eligible to be kept to maintain a healthy, balanced population. If the location does not have a specific catch or slot limit, please defer to the general regulation as a guide. The proclamation can also be downloaded on the Utah DWR app on an Android or iPhone, as well as the DNR website. Underwater spearfishing is illegal unless otherwise posted. And remember, always check the facility where you plan to visit for more updates and details. There may also be additional limitations placed on where you can fish based on the season. During certain parts of the fall, kokanee spawning grounds are off limits to fishing. This helps protect the fish and also allows for a great viewing opportunity for children and adults alike. A couple of examples of kokanee salmon spawning grounds are the Strawberry River across from the Visitor Center at Strawberry Reservoir, as well as Twin Creeks at Fish Lake. If a license is physically purchased at a sporting goods store, you can then load it on the DWR app on your phone, or if you purchase it on the app, you will receive a paper copy in the mail. Fishing licenses are discounted for youth and are not required for children under 12. Adult resident licenses are $33 for a single year, and there is a $1 discount for multi-year licenses. Senior citizens and military veterans may also qualify for a discount. Non-resident adult annual licenses are a little bit pricey, so you may want to consider a multi-day license. One of the best changes to regulations in Utah is the fact that a single license allows you to fish with 2 poles in the water at any given time. This gives you more flexibility to try various techniques to locate that perfect catch. And that is all I have for you, my friends, on this video. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed the content and it was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, and we will catch you on the next video. Bye for now.